Hello for Sparky Channel. Today I'd like to introduce you to the DeWalt Extreme 12 volt max 5 3/8 inch brushless cordless circular saw kit. That's right, it's a 12 volt, and here it is, a 12 volt 5 amp hour battery. How do you like that? And we have a setup right here for a vacuum. If you want to hook it up to a vacuum, it comes off if you don't want it to be on there. It's 5 3/8, and it comes with a carbide tip blade. And one thing that I really like about it is that the blade is on the left-hand side. In this way, for me anyway, I can see the cut and see the line and just see what's going on better when the blade's on the left hand. I'm right-handed, and I prefer the blade to be on the left-handed side. Another nice feature is the Rafter Hook right there. Folds down when you don't need it. And watch the brake on this. It's fantastic. Huh? Have you ever seen a better brake than that? Oh man, that's fast. That's a nice feature. Sometimes fairly expensive saws don't have a brake at all, but look at this. There you go. To take the battery off, you just depress the little lever on the battery, and it comes right off. Now I can show you more with the battery off. Okay, here's your bevel right here. The bevel goes from 0 to 50 degrees. Here the saw is ready for a 45-degree cut. I'll show you how to change blades on this saw. Okay, there's a built-in place for a hex head wrench right here. Nice design feature. And I like to open this up all the way. It makes it a little easier to work on. Now, you can depress this button right here, right there, and you go clockwise to take it off. So here it is. Then you take off this washer. Then you pull the lower guide up. Just pull the blade right out. Okay, so here's your 5 3/8 inch, very thin kerf, by the way. It's a very thin kerf. It's very nice to work with. This particular one has 16 teeth. So that's how you take it off. So you got your arrows. Right here there's an arrow, and here there's an arrow. So it goes on this side. You put it back on. Now you put this on counterclockwise. Depress the button, and we'll tighten it down. It clicked in place there. We'll tighten it down counterclockwise. Then we'll put our hex head wrench right back in the little area back here. There you go. So this is how you adjust the depth right there. And this saw will cut to a depth of 1 3/4 inches. So you can easily cut 2x4s. This chute works with the DeWalt airlock system, which helps to extract the sawdust from the air. It's a great feature for working indoors. This arbor is 3/8 of an inch. The no-load speed of this saw is actually 3,600 RPM. And the really cool thing about it is how light it is. It's only 4.9 pounds without the battery. And the length with this battery is about 14 inches. Let's see how she does with some repetitive cuts in a 2x4. The saw comes with a rip fence. You just set the rip fence to the distance you want from the blade, and it will cut a nice straight cut as long as the edge that you're working with is straight. Notice that in this picture I am using the rip fence. In conclusion, I love this little saw. Finally, a small, lightweight saw that has some power. This is really nice. I'll put a link in my video description for the new 12 volt max DeWalt circular saw. And I'll put links for other DeWalt 12 volt max tools as well. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.